Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. This is a professional channel meant to make technology more close to you. This also includes technical aspects, latest technologies, and many more. I have been into this technical world since for years now, and so I have decided to share epitomized informative knowledge and experience along with interesting facts. I believe programming is like gaming. The more you start liking it and get involved in it is directly proportional to the results you get into it, and enjoy the process. So we are going to get a deep dive over the most important aspects like Spring Boot Microservices. We will also concentrate on Restful microservices and complete details of Spring Boot Microservice. As we all know, Spring has evolved a lot over the years from Spring, Spring MVC, annotations, and now Spring Microservices. We would talk about many different topics related to this, but before that let's go through some of the basic topics that would help you understand microservices more easily. Spring, Spring Boot, JPA, Maven, Postman. Then we move towards the deployment in Spring Cloud. I would also make a separate videos which includes some quiz and some challenges that people generally face along with the solutions for it. Yes. We are confident that we could provide you with best knowledge at the end of every video. So, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon for immediate update of my videos. Also, if you want to know anything in specific from me, then do suggest me in comment section. See you guys soon with the next video. Until then, take care and stay healthy. Let's have some fun programming.